It's a laser, I'm an alien. It's a taser. Yeah, I'm Shein. Yeah.
Stop playing with me.
My feelings, I asked you. Please don't hurt me, cause I would never hurt you. But it's always been fuck me, so I guess it ain't unusual.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Yes, back with another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you're returning, hey girl, hey. So as y'all read from that title, today your girl is going to be installing a wig on herself for the first time ever. So yeah, the first thing that I am doing is my bald cap method, of course, and I am using this even adhesive spray to get it to stick to my head. Now I'm cutting off the excess cap. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend. Now I'm finna clean the perimeter of my head with some alcohol, you know, to get rid of excess oil and makeup. Y'all, it's finally time to install the wig. Your girl got this wig from Shein. If you want to know any info on it, just check out my last video. But yeah, y'all, this is my first time installing a wig, so don't judge me. I was just going off of what I knew and from what I seen and watched on TikTok and also YouTube. So yeah, right now I'm just sizing out the, you know, the wig. I'm filling out how I want it. I'm trying to see if I want to add makeup to this bitch, because I really don't know. The side is giving wig a little too much. So yeah, let's do a middle. At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Y'all, I was very indecisive. I didn't know if I wanted the middle part or side part. But yeah, I'm just cutting 3 little slits into the lace to make it more easy for me. Now y'all, I'm applying this lace glue by Eben. I seen a lot of reviews about it on TikTok. They were bad, but in my opinion, it had a strong coat and it worked very well. But yeah, I'm just doing little dots, you know, like you see everybody doing. And yeah, I'm just letting it dry, smoothing it, rubbing it in, you know. Your girl was eating throughout this whole video. I was hungry. Waiting on my dinner to get done. But yeah, after it's dry, y'all know what I'm trying to say. I put the lace down. Then I went in with some more adhesive spray. And then I started to comb it into the lace. Yeah. Now I'm wrapping it with the lace band so it can have a strong hold. Now I'm cutting this lace off. Like I said, y'all, this is my first time doing a wig on myself, so keep your comments for your mama. But yeah, I'm just cutting the lace. Then I went in with some spritz to, you know, help the lace let out more and blend in a little bit more. And then I put the lace band back over to let it, you know, melt down. And then I started to press out the hair, you know, with the hot comb, because why not? This how it looked when I took the band off, and it actually looked pretty good to me in my opinion. But yeah, now I wanted to cover the lace with some makeup. I'm using this dark chocolate foundation, and that's how I look after I applied it. It made it look a little better. The food was finally done, y'all. That Alfredo was good as hell. But yeah, y'all, now I'm finna clip my hair because I feel like keeping it straight was boring.
we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that.
But yeah, y'all, when I tell y'all these crimps came out cute as hell, these crimps came out cute as hell. Look at them. Like, I was feeling myself right here.
It's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling.
Yes, now I'm finna do my edges, and I'm finna use this Gots to Be glue, and I'm also gonna be using foaming mousse.
I can't change, no, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying.
You like my baby hair? Stop playing with me. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
And the truth we done hiding.
But yeah, overall, this wig was wonderful and beautiful, and especially for the price. It was for sure worth it. When I saw this wig for the second time, it's gonna look way better. But yeah, for my first time, I think I did alright.
Everybody else will just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So I did the other side off camera. But yeah, this is me feeling my crimps, looking at them, admiring them, loving them because they came out so cute. So this is the finishing look, and honestly, I love it. I think I did a great job. So this is the look, y'all. I love it. It's so cute. Like, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notifications, and I'll be back with more videos.
So in love with you.